Welcome to our video on vertical garden maintenance. In this video, we will be discussing the important aspects of watering, fertilizing, and pruning for vertical gardens. Maintaining a healthy and vibrant garden can be a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can keep your vertical garden thriving. Let's get started. Proper watering is crucial for the success of your vertical garden. It's essential to provide enough water to keep the plants hydrated, but also avoid overwatering. To water your vertical garden, you can use a watering can or a drip irrigation system. Make sure to water the plants evenly, focusing on the roots. Avoid spraying the leaves excessively, as it can lead to fungal diseases. Remember, the frequency of watering may vary depending on the type of plants and the weather conditions. It's always a good idea to check the moisture level of the soil before watering. Fertilizing is essential to provide the necessary nutrients for your vertical garden. Choose a balanced organic fertilizer suitable for your plants and follow the manufacturer's instructions for application. It's generally recommended to fertilize your vertical garden once a month during the growing season. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to nutrient burn and harm the plants. You can apply the fertilizer directly to the soil or use a foliar spray. Regular fertilizing will help keep your vertical garden lush and healthy. Regular pruning is necessary for maintaining the shape and health of your vertical garden. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves and trim back overgrown branches. Pruning also encourages new growth and improves air circulation in the garden. Use clean and sharp pruners to make clean cuts, avoiding any damage to the plants. If you have flowering plants, deadhead the spent flowers to encourage new blooms. Keep in mind the specific pruning requirements of the plants in your vertical garden and trim them accordingly.